when you finally get your dream team, it's no longer about you. And that's hard, believe it or not. I think a lot of PT owners don't realize how they get in their own way because no one can treat as well as I can, or, that kind of attitude. What they realize is that when they're willing to like give up and like lean in to like just surrender is the word I'm actually trying to say, surrender to the power of what could be if they brought on the right people, then this like burden gets lifted where you're no longer alone, which is often our experience as entrepreneurs, is that we're on this island. But when we have a team of people who are equally invested in our win as well as their win, and we're all focused on that experience, then the problems aren't nearly as hard because you have multiple brilliant minds working on it. Like you said, you have many hands for lighter lifting, and that's when freedom comes. And then you get this bonus